Hey, so finally we're recording this today, Bob.
Yeah, I know, right? We kept saying we'll do it, and now here we are actually doing it.
It feels kind of weird, though, talking like this, knowing people are going to listen.
Honestly, I'm just pretending no one's listening.
That's a good trick. I should try that too. So, what are we even talking about today again?
You forgot already?
No, Bob, I didn't forget. I just want you to say it.
Okay, fine. Today's topic is would have and has.
Oh, that's actually a really good topic because people mess this up a lot.
Exactly, and I've seen so many learners get confused, especially between has, have, and would have.
Yeah, and also things like would has, which is completely wrong, but people still say it.
Right, that's something we should definitely clear up.
Okay, before we go deep into it, let's just warm up a bit.
Yeah, like a casual start.
So, how was your day?
It was okay. I mean, I would have gone out if the weather had been better.
See, you already used would have.
Yeah, naturally.
And that's how it actually works in real life. You don't think too much, you just use it.
True, but learners do think a lot because they don't know when to use it.
Exactly. Okay, before we explain anything, I want to ask something to the audience.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, if you're listening right now, think about this sentence. I would have called you. What does it actually mean?
Good question.
Yeah, like, does it mean I called you or I didn't call you? And when do we use has, like in she has finished her work?
Yeah, so just think about that for a second.
And also another question, can we ever say would has?
That's a trap question.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now let's start breaking it down. So first thing, has is actually a present tense word.
Yes, and it is used with he, she, it, or singular nouns.
Like, he has a car.
She has a book.
It has a problem.
Right, and here has means possession.
Exactly.
But it's not only for possession.
Yes, that's important.
We also use has in present perfect tense.
Like, she has eaten.
He has completed his work.
It has started raining.
Right, so in these sentences, has is not about owning something, it's helping form a tense.
Exactly, and this is where people start getting confused.
Yeah, because they think has always means having something.
But actually, it also works as a helping verb.
Right.
So let's explain present perfect in a simple way.
Present perfect is used when something happened in the past but is connected to the present.
Like, I have finished my homework.
Or she has gone to the market.
So the action is done, but it matters now.
Yes, exactly.
Now let's compare this with would have.
Okay, this is where things get interesting.
Would have is used for imaginary or unreal situations in the past.
Yes, like things that did not happen, but we are talking about them.
For example, I would have helped you if you had asked.
So, did I help you?
No,
Because you didn't ask.
exactly.
So, would have always talks about something that didn't actually happen,
Most of the time, yes.
or something hypothetical.
Right.
Another example, she would have passed the exam if she had studied.
So did she pass?
No.
So would have is kind of like regret or imagination about the past.
Yes, that's a good way to think about it.
Now let's address the biggest confusion.
Would has,
Yeah, people say things like I would has gone.
which is completely wrong.
Because after would, we always use have, not has.
Exactly. So the correct form is would have.
Never would has.
So, rule number 1, after modal verbs like would, could, should, we always use have.
Yes, like would have, could have, should have.
Never would has.
Perfect.
Now, let's give more examples so it becomes very clear.
Okay.
I would have called you, but my phone died.
I would have bought that dress, but it was too expensive.
I would have come earlier if I had known the time.
All these are past situations that didn't actually happen.
Yes.
Now compare with has.
She has called you.
He has bought a new phone.
It has become cold.
These are real actions that already happened and are relevant now.
Exactly.
So one is real, completed action connected to present, and the other is imaginary past.
Perfect difference. Okay, so now let's just focus only on practice.
Yes, Jesse. No explanations now, just natural speaking and correction.
Exactly, like real conversation.
Okay, I'm ready.
So, imagine yesterday you had a lot of plans, but nothing went as expected.
Okay.
Start.
I would have completed my work early if I had not felt so tired.
Good sentence.
And I would have gone out with my friends if it had not started raining.
Nice.
What about you?
I would have joined you if you had told me earlier.
Oh, so you're blaming me now.
A little bit.
Okay, fair.
I would have cooked something special, but I didn't have enough ingredients.
That's good.
Now, present perfect.
Okay,
I have already finished my assignments today.
good.
I have cleaned my room as well.
Productive day.
Yes, and I have also watched a movie.
Nice.
Now your turn. Mix both.
I have completed my work, but I would have done it earlier if I had started on time.
Perfect combination.
I have learned this topic, but I would have understood it better if I had practiced more.
Very good.
Okay, your turn again.
I have talked to my friend today, but I would have called her yesterday if I had remembered.
Nice natural sentence.
I have tried this before, but I would have succeeded if I had been more careful.
Great.
Let's make it a bit more challenging.
Yes.
Use negative sentences.
Okay.
Start.
I would not have gone there if I had known the truth.
Good.
I would not have trusted him if I had seen his real behavior.
Strong sentence.
Now, present perfect negative.
Okay.
I have not finished my work yet.
Correct.
I have not seen that movie.
Good.
Your turn.
I have not eaten anything since morning.
Nice.
I would not have skipped breakfast if I had woken up early.
Very good.
I have not replied to his message.
Okay.
I would have replied if I had seen it earlier.
Perfect.
Now let's do question forms.
Yes, that's important.
Ask me something using has.
Has she completed her project?
Yes, she has completed it.
Nice.
Now ask using would have.
Would you have helped me if I had asked you?
Yes, I would have helped you.
Good.
My turn.
Okay.
Has he finished his homework?
No, he has not finished it yet.
Good. Has you gone there if you had known the situation?
No, I would not have gone there.
Perfect.
Now let's do quick responses.
Okay.
I have lost my keys.
You would have found them if you had checked properly.
True. I have completed my project.
You would have done it faster if you had focused more.
Maybe. I have met him before.
You would have remembered him if he had made a strong impression.
Nice.
I have forgotten my notebook.
You would have brought it if you had packed your bag carefully.
Correct.
Now, storytelling.
Okay.
Yesterday, I had a chance to go on a trip.
What happened?
I would have gone, but I had too much work.
Oh,
I have planned everything for next week, though.
nice.
I would have enjoyed the trip if I had gone.
Yes.
What about you?
I have never traveled alone.
Really?
Yes, but I would have tried it if I had more confidence.
That's honest.
I have learned many things recently.
Like what?
I have improved my English.
That's great.
And I would have improved faster if I had practiced daily.
Still, you're doing well.
Thanks.
Now let's push it more.
Okay.
Use long sentences.
Challenge accepted. I have completed all my tasks for today and I feel relaxed, but I would have felt even better if I had finished them earlier in the morning.
Excellent. I have tried to stay focused on my goals, but I would have achieved more if I had avoided distractions.
Very good.
I have met many people in my life, but I would have built stronger connections if I had communicated better.
Deep.
Your turn.
I have always wanted to learn new skills, but I would have mastered some of them if I had stayed consistent.
Nice.
I have faced many challenges, but I would have handled them better if I had been more patient.
Great.
I've made some mistakes, but I would have avoided them if I had thought carefully.
Perfect.
Now let's correct each other.
Okay.
I would has finished my work.
Wrong. It should be, I would have finished my work.
Good.
She has ate her lunch.
Wrong. It should be she has eaten her lunch.
Correct.
I would have did it.
Wrong. It should be, I would have done it.
Yes.
He has went there.
Wrong. It should be he has gone there.
Perfect.
Now, fast practice.
Okay.
I have completed.
I would have completed.
She has called.
She would have called.
I have tried.
I would have tried.
He has lost.
He would have lost.
Nice.
Now reverse.
Okay.
I would have gone.
I have gone.
She would have finished.
I have finished.
I would have learned.
I have learned.
Great.
Now, final speaking.
Yes.
I have understood this topic clearly, and I feel confident. But I would have understood it earlier if I had practiced more regularly.
That's a perfect closing sentence for practice.
Yes, it really shows both forms together.
And it sounds natural.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Practice until it feels natural.
Yes.
I think this practice session really helped.
I agree.
And I have learned a lot from this.
And we would have struggled less if we had known this earlier.
True.
But now we know.
Yes, and now we can use it confidently.
Exactly. Okay, let's continue the practice but make it even more real and natural.
Yes, like everyday situations.
Exactly. No thinking too much, just speaking.
Okay, start.
Today I have woken up late.
You would have reached earlier if you had woken up on time.
True.
I have missed my bus today.
You would have caught it if you had left earlier.
Yes.
I have already eaten breakfast.
You would have skipped it if you had been in a hurry.
Correct.
I have started exercising recently.
You would have seen better results if you had started earlier.
That's motivating.
I have improved my routine.
You would have felt more energetic if you had slept earlier.
Yes.
I have talked to my teacher today.
You would have understood the topic better if you had asked more questions.
Nice.
Now let's make emotional sentences.
Okay.
I have trusted him.
You would have been safer if you had not trusted him so easily.
Deep.
I have helped many people.
You would have helped even more if you had more time.
True.
I have learned from my mistakes.
You would have avoided those mistakes if you had listened earlier.
Yes.
I have lost some opportunities.
You would have gained them if you had taken action.
That's strong.
Now let's talk about future mixed with past feeling.
Interesting.
I have decided to work hard now.
You would have achieved more if you had started earlier, but it's not too late.
Nice.
I have changed my habits.
You would have seen results sooner if you had changed them earlier.
Yes.
I have realized my mistakes.
You would have improved faster if you had realized them earlier.
Correct.
Now, quick back and forth.
Okay.
I have finished.
You would have finished earlier.
She has called.
She would have called earlier.
I have learned.
You would have learned faster.
He has tried.
He would have succeeded.
Nice.
Now, longer responses.
Okay.
I have worked hard this week, and I feel satisfied.
You would have felt even more relaxed if you had managed your time better.
Good.
I have completed most of my goals, but I still feel there's more to do.
You would have completed everything if you had stayed more focused.
True.
I have spent time with my family and I feel happy.
You would have felt even happier if you had spent more time with them earlier.
Yes.
I have started reading books again.
You would have developed this habit earlier if you had been more consistent.
Correct.
Now let's correct fast mistakes again.
Okay.
I would has gone there.
Wrong. I would have gone there.
She has did her work.
Wrong. She has done her work.
I would have ate it.
Wrong. I would have eaten it.
He has saw that.
Wrong. He has seen that.
Perfect.
Now final natural flow.
Okay.
I have learned this concept properly now, and I feel confident while speaking.
You would have felt confident earlier if you had practiced like this before.
Yes.
I have started using these sentences in my daily life.
You would have improved faster if you had started earlier, but this is still great.
Exactly.
I have noticed my mistakes and I'm correcting them.
You would have avoided many errors if you had paid attention earlier.
True.
I have gained confidence and I am not afraid to speak.
You would have reached this level earlier if you had practiced regularly.
Yes.
But the important thing is you have improved.
And we would have never improved if we had not practiced.
That's the best sentence.
Yes, it really connects everything.
I have enjoyed this practice a lot.
And I would have missed this if we had not done this session.
Same here.
Okay, now I really feel this practice is complete.
Yes, and it was very helpful.
And very natural.
Exactly.
Let's keep practicing like this.
Always.